Welcome to Pineapple Music Lab. In this complete guide, I'll show you how to generate, edit, and manage AI piano fingerings in minutes. Let's get started. First, create a free account or log in. Click the Get Started for Free or Login button on the navigation bar to access the system. No credit card is required. Once signed in, navigate to your workspace by clicking My Projects. This is the central hub where all your sheet music is stored. To process a new score, click Create New Project and select your file. You can upload standard PDFs or music XML files up to 10 megabytes. For PDFs, high-quality digital exports work best. After uploading, the AI automatically analyzes the score. The main fingering recommendations appear as dark, bold numbers. The lighter numbers you see are alternative suggestions. You have full control over the results. If you don't like a suggested fingering, simply click and drag the main number up or down to change it. Release to apply the new finger. To use an alternative fingering, a quick click will swap the entire connected group. If you only want to change one specific note, press and hold the alternative number for a single swap. The top toolbar gives you access to essential actions. You can undo or redo edits, toggle alternative fingerings for a cleaner view, adjust number sizes, and download your annotated XML file. Back in your workspace, you can manage your files. Use the three-dot menu on any project row to rename or delete it. Try it for yourself. Generate and customize your piano fingerings in minutes at pineapplemusiclab.com.